So today, I'm gonna be showing Zaza how dad is gonna be brushing his hair. So first, it's okay. That's not gonna happen when I do it, okay? When I grab you, it's gonna be good. You know, no, just come on. No, just let me, I'm gonna show you.
Okay, God, this is what you do if I was knocked out? Make me more knocked out?
Oh my God, you okay? Oh no, you okay, baby? You okay? Oh my baby, you okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Oh my baby, did it hurt?
Yeah.
It hurt?